my dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby.
I've been using the Fuji X-S20 camera for 4 months, and I'm happy with it so far. I like to share my thoughts as I become more comfortable using it. Since I'm still a beginner in videography and photography, I can only provide my perspective as a normal person. But for sure, I'm confident that my video will provide you with more insights into Fuji X-S20. This video is divided into 5 parts. I've included what I like and what I expect to improve. Without further ado, let's get started. My Fuji X-S20 was always with me when I went to Europe in October and November. I could easily hide it inside my coat. If you carry it directly with you instead of inside a bag, it feels lighter. The following are some pictures I took around the trip that are unfiltered and unedited. When taking pictures, I don't see any problems with the camera losing focus. It's so friendly for a beginner. Also, the video quality is good with this camera. Those who are new to Fuji cameras are probably as excited as I am when they learn this camera has a lot of filters. Vlogging a different style adds more interest. Here's how you can find them quickly. By setting this button to auto, while spinning the left side button, look at the screen. There are 14 styles of filters available here. Let me guide you closer to them. Now let's look at some other filters. Using filter mode gives you access to 13 more filters, as you can see. There is a lot of fun to be had with all the Fuji filters, whether you are taking pictures or recording videos. Although Fujifilm has many highlights, the worst part for me is when it runs out of focus. Because it's my only camera, I'm not sure if this is common or it happens with other cameras. Anyway, I'm super annoyed. Please take a look at this video about making a Christmas tree, and I will talk about this later. Fujifilm video already looks good without any filters from Final Cut Pro. However, when I was making the rough cut, I see clips that have lost focus from time to time. If those clips are essential to my video, what should I do? It's not like I have different camera vlogging at the same time. I can only rely on this camera. I picked this camera because it has a strong, powerful function for vlog. For me, please don't lose your focus. That's what I need. This issue really disappoints me. I'm wondering how Fujifilm videos differ from iPhone 13 and Ghost 3 videos. So I use these equipments to record the same thing in 3 different scenes. After watching these videos, I gain a better understanding of this camera. I started shooting using the auto mode on the Fujifilm. The camera itself seems to add a bit of filtering. Videos from the iPhone 13 are more like what I see in a real life. Go 3 also adds some filters by itself. It's easier to notice the difference when I put them together. I personally like the Fujifilm video. I just like how it looks, it's pretty. I was curious to see the difference when my objects are moving during shooting. Will Fujifilm video be shaky or in any other situation? The result was pretty similar to that of the iPhone 13 and the Ghost 3. Only videos from Go 3 look wider. I'm satisfied with the Fujifilm's results since I don't use any gimbal and it's pretty stable. It's common for people to drink coffee, so I shot this clip. I hope it gives you more information about the camera. You may have your own opinion. Enjoy yourself. During this section of camera testing, I will use two equipments. I use my iPhone X and Fujifilm camera. To get a better understanding of this camera, my phone will record everything that happens on the camera screen while it's working. You can easily get a Fujifilm battery inside your camera, but anyway, I will show you how. As you could see through my screen, I will show you the actual situation of how does Fujifilm battery run out of battery. I fast forwarded 20 times, so you could see its beginning, middle, end. Of course, I had considered deleting some footage, but I think it's more helpful for you to know about the camera through the whole process. After fully charging the Fujifilm battery, it almost lasts for 51 minutes without stopping. When the high temperature auto shutdown option is selected to high, the camera has reached the upper limits of the temperature allowed for shooting and will automatically shut down immediately to prevent high temperature burns. After that, my camera started to work again. Is it possible for it to last 51 minutes or more? Before I review, try to make a guess. For the second time, it worked for 35 minutes. I thought that was pretty good. As you can see, the temperature reaches the upper limits, it's shutting down. It's the same reaction as before. After that, my camera took a 9 minutes break. Then it started working again. It only works for 8 minutes and then it turns off for the third time. To see if there were still any possibilities, I restarted the camera a few times. However, it's truly off. In conclusion, when my Fujifilm's original battery is fully charged, this battery could last 1 hour and 30 minutes. Also, I have two backup batteries that can last up to 50 minutes when recording video. So I think Fujifilm's original battery did a great job. I'm pretty satisfied with this. So that's all for my review video. I'm so happy to have this beautiful camera as my first one. If you like my video, please subscribe and leave me comments. I need your support. See you next time.